Mother Nature has an amazing way of knowing what you need. She was calling us home. A journey back to a more sustainable lifestyle is gradual. Vanlife was the beginning. Upon reflection, we realised we had so much and needed so very little. You slow down and tune into the rhythm of Mother Nature. You blend with the landscape and you're reminded that we are part of Earth's community. A rhythm that speaks to your soul, nurturing your whole being, your body, your mind, heart and spirit. The city is built around consumerism. With less, you appreciate more. Wow, what an amazing view. We are born with an innate need to feel connected to nature. Slowing down, tuning in to Mother Nature, we listen to her whispers, her stories, her knowledge, and we learn more about ourselves and our sacred connection to the natural world. As an artist and educator, I wish to develop a more organic, sustainable art practice.